Inside edge of your forearm down towards the floor and press the wrist crease down towards the floor. Keep the wrist crease pressing down, pull your face away from the floor, pull your shoulders away from the floor, lift your butt up. Right, now take your head into headstand position here and tuck your chin in. More. Yeah, there. Right, so get your head, you know your head's in headstand position because your eyes, if they had lasers and they shone to the opposite side of the room, they'd be exactly the same height as your eyes are. They would be up, they would be down. All right, now you keep your head in this position, but you get a light touch of your head on the floor. So just lift your, keep your chin in, lift your shoulders up a bit. That's it. Now, take a leg up and keep that body position. That's it. Now once you're up there, you keep the lift of the shoulders, keep your chin in, keep the lift of the shoulders, and then you start to bring some weight into the head. Alright? So shoulders lift, weight into the head. When you come down, press your wrist crease and forearms down.